Assalamualaikum and hello. I am Leo Iskandar bin Syukur, the leader for this group, which is Group 17. The group members are Leo Iskandar, Akif Hikman, Misbahul Munir, Aminul Afif Muhaimim, and Cik Wan Haminuddin. In this video, we will be presenting our business model canvas for our business, Upah. Before we get into the main agenda, I will explain briefly on what our business is. Basically, Upah is a mobile application that allows the users to seek for available vendors who can come over to help them and mend the fixes, be it plumbing, electrical appliances, furniture, carpentry, or even electric circuits. The service seekers can compare prices and services directly within the app, which consumes less time compared to other existing business in the market. After the service is completed, customers can pay directly to the vendors through the app or through cash. To begin with, for customer segments, we aim those who are incapable of mending the repair work themselves. These people who are in desperate need of help but doesn't have the contact numbers for anyone who can do so will make use of our application to look for help with a list of available vendors. We especially aim for those in city areas, which is also where we will base our business. This is because usually the people who live in the city areas are less capable of mending the fixes themselves compared to the ones who live in the rural areas. Not only that, people in the city areas are also more equipped with many appliances and has more complicated structure of the wiring, plumbing systems and whatnot in their homes. So, that area is more prone to seek for these types of services. Our vendors are also considered as part of our customer since they will be paying some fees after getting every job done, which we will get into more later.
Moving on to the value proposition, our customer will be provided with list of available and nearby vendors, which the future customer can choose and directly contact the service providers and arrange the meeting with them through our messaging features. On top of that, they can also enjoy the varieties of price available since the service fees are set by the vendors, but of course with the help of our price floor and price ceiling. This is really helpful as it can ensure fast and direct response since our vendors will also need to care for their ratings, so they need to deliver the best service possible in every aspect. We also aim to help solve the customers' problems as soon as possible because we understand that most of our customers are probably those who are in need of help right away.
I will now be presenting channels. Basically, the channel we chose is direct. We will be making use of social media, advertisements, and even TV commercials to raise brand awareness. Although we personally think that social media works best for us because nowadays people are always with their smartphones, so they can click on the link and be directed to the download page for our mobile applications right away. Plus, it has all channel phases from awareness, evaluation, purchase, delivery, and all the way to the after sales. Our team will come up with the media and contents according to the latest trends in order to reach our customer segment.
Customer relationship. At Upah, we care a lot for our customers, which is also why we decided to come up with the idea for this business. So, customer relationships is very important to us. Upah goes beyond customer-vendor relationship, so we are considerate co-creation because the services will be brought out by our vendors. Our target is to build a community concerned about people who are desperate for help. By offering helpful services, we get to take care of people and let them feel satisfied with their services. Should there be any complaints, we already provide directory specifically to file complaints in our mobile applications so that we can always strive for betterment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aminul Afif Muhaimim bin Ramzan and I will be presenting about revenue streams. Since we are operating a business, we went into depth for the revenue streams because we want profit. Our revenue streams are from the service provider's fee, premium member subscription, and advertising. For service provider's fee, the way it works is that we will take a few percentage from the profit of how much the vendor charge the service seekers, depending on the size of the project they work in. The premium member subscription will also generate profit for us since customers will pay monthly subscriptions in order to get some benefits and privilege for themselves in return. Our advertisements on YouTube and other platforms can also generate income for us through website revenue from ads. The way it works is that by generating impressions, engagements, or clicks on our ads by the visitors, we will earn revenue.
Moving on to the key resources, at Upah, the two main important resources are the human resources and the financial resources. In order to bring out our value proposition, funds need to be properly allocated into the right section. This is also why we hire the best team of employees we could find with our financial resources that could bring out the best of Upah's mobile app user experience. Not only that, customers will also find everything they need with no hassle whatsoever on our mobile app. Our team of creative minds will also evaluate on which areas that we need to improve in order to bring out a better value as a business in the market.
Our key activities are service provision, giving job to vendors, mobile app support and maintenance, and also customer service. Basically, the workflow of our business will revolve around these activities, which are the scope we can focus on. Through this, we can aim for the constant improvement by doing regular reviews of our key activities and look for areas where we could work on better.
For the key partners, we'll mainly be working with PayPal, banks, and payment systems. This is because in our mobile application, customers will be able to pay directly online to the vendors to help make things easier and simpler through online bankings. This is also a great step towards digitalization which is vital in order for our business to keep up with the always evolving world.
Cost structure. Lastly, I will be covering on cost structure. To start with, primarily, our focus on the allocation of cost is on the production. This is for the mobile app development, which is our main platform. We will be focusing on this in order to ensure our customer will get the best user experience on our mobile application. We will employ the best teams we could get to develop a good UI UX. We will also employ teams who could keep up with the changing environment for our marketing department to attract people's attention. That's all from us, the team members of Upah. Thank you for watching.